Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is another one of those coding tutorials. I did one of these a long time ago, and I haven't done one in a long time. So let's actually do one of these. So last time I showed you how to pause things and how to say things and stuff like that. Today I'm going to show you how to do batch commands and CMD commands. So CMD and batch. A batch command is like you can run commands. It's kind of like making your own commands in command prompt. Like if I make a command called GVA and put it in and put the file extension as .bat or batch, if you want to say its full name, then I put it in system32. Whenever I open up command prompt and type in GVA, it'll run whatever I scripted in to it. So let's first get on with the command prompt, which will open the batch command. So we'll edit it. It was opened on my other monitor. So first thing we'll want to do, echo off and do like a new thing, or just call it 1. So once we have that ready, so after we'll do that, all that, and we name the first stanza, we'll call it. Yeah, the 1 is a stanza. So after we do the first stanza of the code, it's not a poem. You know what should I call it? Chapters. I'll just call it chapters. So we've done the first chapter, like echo starting batch dot bats, and then we'll want to do the second chapter, or the chapters are just to organize everything. Like we can have all the echo commands in there, but all the first off thing, any key to 1 batch.bat. So we can have that, and also we can also have this is just an example. Start batch.bat, and then end, go to end, and we'll do pause /null. The /null, if we go into my MS-DOS project, which that is not the right one. I haven't updated this in a long time. Should discontinue it soon. So if I go into the Windows booter, which doesn't actually boot Windows, if you look around, you will probably see pause /null. I use it so that we don't see the click any key to continue. We have that set up. Now, kind of like if you run like a fake command prompt trick that shows you, for example, I don't know, that shows you a fake BSOD or blue screen of death. It kind of like those. It does pause /null and color commands, and it also uses echo off. It probably uses these. And now if you're done coding this, the first complete book or the first piece of code, first notepad thing. We'll want to do save, and it has to have start batch.bat or the name of your batch command. So third chapter, echo if this cmd window does not close, something is wrong. If you want to do what I'm doing, you can copy this. I'll hopefully remember what to put in the description, and I'll make a new thing called description for that, and boom. So we've got this. We'll want to close it, save, and now we'll want to change the file extension .cmd. So I'm just going to bring the videos over here. If we go into view mode here, then we'll find, wait, 1 second. I'm getting these Facebook messages. So you want to check file name extensions or FME. I'll just call it FME because, yeah, you can say that for short. And if you want hidden item checkboxes, I hate this because it does that. And if I check it, I just don't like it. So, yeah, I'm just going to turn that off. So now we have file name extensions enabled. We can do things easily. So if we do that, it's not going to run it because we don't have the bat extension on here. So we'll want to do the batch, which we'll do echo off, and this is continuing this. So we will do the fourth chapter. I don't know what to call these. And then we'll do echo we will open a new CMD page. Chapter, I'll just do that. Chapter 4. We'll do page 4, chapter 2, or anything like that. Wait, page. So this is what you want to do, or anything. So then we'll do start. If you just do start, it will open up a new command prompt window, but we'll do cmd.exe. Or if you want to be specific, you'll do this. And boom, we have a specific location. There's this, I don't know how to say it really. So after that, you'll want to do like task kill /f/im cmd.cmd. We can do end, and then we can go to end. Well, this won't really do anything anymore. So now we'll want to do rename, and then this file extension will be bat. We want command prompt. We've got 2. Okay, this window didn't close. So since this opens a new window, we'll need to change the code in here. So see, we need to debug it, which everyone does once if they're coding. So we'll have to do, instead of CMD, let's do exe, and then change start. Yeah, start will stay there. You know what? No. Then this will end. So doesn't open anything. So we can just have this. So boom, and then it'll open a new thing. And then this is now in a working command prompt, which we can actually change the code in this. So let's see, batch.bat. We can change the code in these and we can remove the third stanza or chapter. I'm used to saying stanza already. And we can do start. We can remove this. And this we can fix up by doing that. And we can save these. So now command prompt, boom, and we get this. Now after all that code is done, we can do class for clear, save, and we've got how to do 2 command prompt windows, a CMD window, which opens another command prompt window, which that is actually kind of different because, yeah, they are separate windows. So a batch.bat. This doesn't, this one has an error. We want this to close, so we'll get rid of this code. And we'll do, instead of immediately clearing, we'll just do pause. Now command prompt, click, and now we have this. And then it'll do that. It'll say we will open a new CMD page, chapter 3, page 2, and then boom, we have a new command prompt window. This is how, this is really, I might discontinue this series after a few more episodes, but thank you for watching. Goodbye. And also, I might use this now. This is bright. I'll need to cut that out. So, bye-bye. Have a good day. And bye-bye. Chapter 3, page 2. And then boom, we have a new command prompt window. There's something in this recording I really do not like. This is how, this is really, I might discontinue this series after a few more episodes, but thank you for watching. Goodbye. And also, I might use this now. And that's the end. Episodes, but thank you for watching. Goodbye. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this part out. AVI, yes. Do that. And it's gonna take a little while because Band-Aid cut always does. So yeah, like I said in that clip, goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye.